Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you think that a tray is only used for serving food, then think again. I got this from DETOR Home and Living, and I'm so impressed by the quality of it. This is really smooth and well made, and I got the one that is stained with mahogany. I think it's an absolutely gorgeous color with tones of purple, red, and brown. This tray has really subtle anti-slip properties. You can see that as I'm tipping the tray, this cup is not moving at all. That can give you peace of mind as you're transporting liquids. This is such a beautiful decorating piece also. I love it as a centerpiece on the table, or even to hold towels and other things by my bathtub. And of course, just to use it as a food tray. And then I've even been able to use it as a side tray on our couch. We have really wide arms. It's so nice to be able to put things on that and then not having to worry about whatever I'm eating or drinking getting on the fabric. And this, of course, can fit a lot of items on it. So not only is this tray beautiful, but it's very functional as well and would make a gorgeous gift for someone. And that's my point of view.